Turning your images into clickable links makes it easy for your contacts to get to your website or directly to any important information. In this short video, we'll show you how it all works. To begin, click to edit the image you want to turn into a link. Then, click Link and choose the type of link you want to create. Web page will allow you to link your contacts to any URL you paste into the box. Email will allow you to add an email address. When contacts click your image, it will open their email client with an email draft set up to send to whatever email address you put in the box. Document will give you the option to link your contacts to a file, such as a Word document, PDF, spreadsheet, etc. Click the Upload a New Document button to upload a new file, or select one from the list of available documents stored in your Constant Contact library. Landing page will allow you to easily insert a link to any landing pages you've created in Constant Contact. If you don't see any options here, you'll need to first create a landing page before you can link to it in an email. Phone number will allow you to insert a phone number so that when people click your image from their mobile device or even their PC, it will attempt to make a call to whatever number you insert into the box. On all of the options I just went over, you might have noticed this Enable Click Segmentation checkbox. By clicking this checkbox, you can segment your contacts into lists depending on the links they click in your email. And that's how you can turn your images into clickable links with Constant Contact.